Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's nice seeing you guys again. I hope you had a good week, nice time. And basically in this video I'm just going to be doing a room tour because I've got like a few people asked me before to do like a tour for my accommodation or like my room basically. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing that today. And if you do enjoy it, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time, my next video. And also just let you guys know, for this room tour video I didn't really like have to start arranging my so sunny here. And also for this room tour video I really didn't have to start arranging my room for this video, so don't think I basically went an extra mile arranging my room for this video, because this is how my room usually is. Like if you come to my house or if you know me, like this is basically how I always like arrange my room. So I really didn't arrange it specially for this video. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys how I leave things all the time. And so guys, this is the first thing you see when you're going in. So yeah, basically this is my door. So yeah, when you open the door, the first thing you see is this intercom where you can call when you're downstairs. Then there's a picture of the building plan, and there's a door here. Then we have like just a basic hallway along. So I'm going to start by showing you guys what's behind the door. Yeah. Oh baby, please. Why you do? And I'm just going to show you guys this door first. This is the best part of this building for me. Like this your backside. Oh, that below the room like this. Okay, so moving on this side of my toilet I basically have all my hair products here and my cream. So I use coconut oil, I have my gel, all my hair dyes, my argan oil, shore spray, hair product, hair sprays, blah 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 blah, my shampoos, that conditioner, my brush for my edges, there's another one somewhere around, yeah, and my shore sprays. I have 2 sets of what's it called, wipes, and extra toothbrush, my mouthwash. Then I have on here facial scrub. I don't know why I have so many toothbrushes out, but yeah, toothbrush, toothpaste. I have my sanitary pad, my my daily panty liners, my Vicks wax, and this is just like those charcoal teeth whitening stuff. And I have my Firm Fresh. Yeah, I have both the spray that you just spray on your pants or your panty liner, and the one you use to wash your, you know what I mean. Then I have So moving on to the next bit of the on here, I basically have one of these pins I got from Poundland, where I just put my like key and just put all this bag stuff. So I basically just hang my key here and the stuff here, and this one I also use to hang my hats. Yeah, I basically put my hat there, and some of them are right. I have 2 more here. And then moving on, and on this long table I just got this thing from Pound World. I really love this. It just says big dreams start here, and this just reminds me of saving, because I am a big fan of like saving your money and all the stuff. So it just makes me like feel like, oh yeah, I just like basically what was written on here, and then the fact that, oh yeah, I saved some coins here. Yeah, big dream star here just reminds me to always save. And then on this other side I have all my shoes, so it goes like blacks, then we have white and grays, then we have the colored, and then my heels up there. And on here I have my expensive shoe boxes, so I have my Yeezy boxes, then I have my backpack. I'll just stand right here so you guys can see it better. So yeah, I have my backpack, then I have my bags, and I have, yeah, this cute thing I basically got from my sisters, where you can put your rings and your earrings. So I just opened it from my sisters. And I have my other bags here, and there's another bag. Then I have my bags here, and then I have my expensive shoe boxes up there as well, and my hat. And then moving on, right here I have my closet. It's long, guys. It's really big and long, and it's not so arranged, so don't judge me. So I'll start from up. So on top of my closet I just basically have like my other throw pillows from my former accommodation, which then I used to have everything pink and purple in my room, so basically I didn't really use them anymore. That's why I have them up there. And then I have my, what's it called, my ring light bag, then I have my towels there, I have my scarf and my beanies, then my nighties, like my sleeping clothes. And then here I have all my clothes color coordinated, so I have my coats that are not hanged outside, then I have my khakis, my yellows and mustards, my orange, my grays, blacks, then my blues and denims, all my blues and denims here. Then I have my burgundy, I just have two, then my pinks and peach, whatever's pink, peach, anything of that nature there, then all my whites over here. And then here I have all my white jeans, trousers and grays as well. Then same for this side, all my white crop tops and grays, then my other colored crop tops. Here I have my suitcase in here, and I have my wrapping paper from Christmas, my Vans shoebox, my camera box. This, I got two of these things for my, what's it called, for my makeup brushes, so I'm not making use of one. Then I have it in there. I have all my denims, my blue denims, then I have all my blacks and my navy blues, and all my leggings and black jeans are all right there as well. And then just inside I have my other nighties and my stay-at-home clothes inside there, and same goes for that one. And then down there I just have like a bunch of bags and just whatever. So yeah, that's how my closet looks like basically. And then if you turn to this side, and I wasn't given this dressing table by the accommodation, by the way. I got it from Tesco. Yeah, so I got this from Tesco last 2 years, and it was about £48, £46 I think. Yeah, so I bought this myself, but I was given this chest of drawers by the accommodation. And on here I have a picture of me, I have this flower, my other camera for taking pictures, and I have my candles over here. So in here I'm not going to show you guys much, but I basically have all my pants, my bras and my socks all over here, my new socks. I haven't used my other panties. Right here all my socks. Yeah, and yeah, so it goes. So yeah, and then this drawer here, oh, it's hard to open. Yeah, basically I have my towels and my, what's it called, my beddings. And yeah, so basically, oh, so hard to open. I basically have my other set of beddings here and my towels, and here I have like Tesco bags, whatnot, and my other beddings and onesie. So yeah, that's basically what's in here. And I'm trying to film a haul today because it's sunny, so I just have everything I want to film right there. And yeah, this is my view. And I have these flowers. Guys, Valentine's Day came late for me. I didn't have a Valentine, so I just had to, you know, buy myself these flowers yesterday. So yeah, you know, single, but you gotta live life. Baby Rara. And on here I have my TV, which was given to me by the accommodation. Then I have my Apple TV, which wasn't given to me by them. And I just have a speaker behind here. Yeah, I just have a speaker right there. And I have everything plugged here. And here I keep my glasses and my tester perfumes. So just basically all the testers I get, I just put them there. And then here I basically have a calendar which was given to me by the accommodation. As by leaving, I cancel all the days by myself with the markers. So I have this markers here, which I just basically used to cancel. And here I have like my life goal. Yes, my life goal. Yeah. And here as well, so this is just like a motivational quote for me, which I look through every single day. Yeah, I don't want to start boring you guys by reading all this stuff, but yeah. And then up here I have all my uni stuff, my books, which I got those holders from Wilco, and then I arranged them. Then that one I think I got from Wish. Then I have my set of staplers and all the stuff, my pencil case. Oh, I need this focus. Then I have my pencil case, and then I have my textbook, and in here I just have like some other bags from stuff I got. I just like the bags, and then sometimes I just don't throw them away. I don't know if anyone does that. Yeah, I have my glasses here, which I think I showed you guys, and I have my weekly planner as well here. So basically, oh, I need to focus. So yeah, basically I just plan my week on here. Like I plan it a day before, just write what I'm going to do the next day, and then anything I have to buy, I basically write them on here. And this is just like my Tesco club cards, Amazon club cards, and cards from people from uni. And this is messy, guys, so messy. I just have my brushes, my wig caps, just a whole bunch of things I dropped inside here. Straw, this place as well, so, and here as well, just all so messy. And yeah, basically that is my room. I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoy this video. So subscribe. You all should subscribe. Oh, the noise outside is so loud. Okay, basically, anyways, just subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. So peace. No, I'm not going. Not going. Anyways, I'm hungry and starving. But I don't know what to eat, guys. Like, this healthy eating thing is really disturbing, because I have to cut a lot of things that I eat, and at the end of the day I have not really that much options, if you get what I mean. Like, not that much options. I I know some of you be like, who is asking you? Don't do it. Yeah, I know, no one's asking me. I just want to do it for myself. I want to be healthy. I want to eat healthy. I want to go to the gym and all the stuff. So please don't say, is anyone forcing me or anything? No one's forcing me. No one's begging me. No one's asking me. I'm just doing it on my own terms and conditions. Baby Rora. Okay, now for reals, guys, I'm just going to go and get something to eat, and I don't know what's wrong with my hair. And I'll see you guys next time. So please subscribe and like this video, and bye.